For our 8th and final look, we had Brie come in. We went full mega. So we used handmade mega volume fans with our 200 series. For this look, we did a cat eye. We did the lengths a little bit longer. So when creating this set, I went in and I filled the inner and the outer corners completely with the handmade fans. And then sporadically throughout the rest of the set, I threw in some handmades, and then I finished it off with the 200 series. So the 200 series was my filler. So I was able to cut down my lashing time, of course, by using the pre-mades, and still completed the look that I was going for.
When you are mixing classic versus volume versus mega volume, this is a step and a progression that comes from mixing different styles. Where if you are mixing handmade versus pre-made, whether that is crystallized fans and handmade volume, or Bella Lash's 200 collection and handmade mega volume, this allows for a different combination that actually is more going to help with your timing and your technique and less with styling.